Welcome to Botsurfer. You may want to send direct messages to users who have interacted with your Facebook page. Botsurfer lets you schedule direct messages that will be sent to users at a specific time and date. The first thing that you need to have in mind is the content of the message. You need to create your message in the conversation scenarios space, and it is okay if this sequence won't be connected to any other content. It's up to you and the context of your direct message. After you created the content that will be received by your users, you should return to the scheduling of the message. First, name your direct message for better orientation. Secondly, pick the time and date when to send the direct message. Beware that you can only send messages to the users within a 24-hour window, after the last interaction with your chatbot. If you have lots of users interacting with your chatbot, you may want to specify the audience. In the filter, you can choose the specific audience to receive the message by picking a specific point in the conversation to define your audience. The 24-hour window is quite limiting, and the filtering of the audience can end up with nobody receiving your message. In this case, just use all users targeting and send your message to every user in the conversation 24 hours before the message will be sent. If your message is not sent within these 24 hours, at that time, your target audience is no longer in the conversation with your chatbot. This audience will be created 24 hours before your message's scheduled time to send.